Making money online has become increasingly accessible with numerous opportunities available across various fields. Here are some effective methods to make $300 or more a day. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Popular freelance services include writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. 2. Online tutoring and courses. Teach subjects you are proficient in through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. You can also offer live tutoring sessions on websites like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction are popular affiliate programs. 4. Blogging. Start a blog on a niche topic and monetize it through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like WordPress and Medium can help you get started. 5. YouTube and content creation. Create engaging video content on YouTube and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Consistent, quality content can attract a large audience and generate significant income. 6. E-commerce and dropshipping. Sell products online through platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, as suppliers handle shipping directly to customers. 7. Stock photography and videos. If you're skilled in photography or videography, sell your work on stock sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. 8. Online surveys and market research. Participate in paid online surveys and market research studies through sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. 9. Remote work. Many companies offer remote job opportunities in various fields such as customer service, tech support, writing, and marketing. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list remote job opening. 10. And one of my favorites, investing. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate through online platforms. Apps like Robinhood, Coinbase, and Binance provide tools for beginners and experienced investors alike. And most importantly, to successfully make money online, it's important to thoroughly research each method and platform to understand the potential earnings, requirements, and any risks involved. Develop skills. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge in your chosen field to increase your earning potential. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Regularly dedicate time and effort to your online ventures to build a steady income stream. If you want us to make detailed videos on any of the above-mentioned ways of making money, let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.